I keep hearing you niggas subliminals. I'm not digging that. Who whispering to me? Cause I ain't gonna hear you, nigga. I'ma feel you. Facts.
If you gotta whisper, you should hush. Nature left them in the dust. If they ever wanna bust, in God we trust. I done told them I'm the real. I ain't never giving up. I done told them how I feel. Nature gotta live it up. If they ever wanna tangle, break him down at the angles. From the tree I let him hangle. From that tree I let him dangle. Dripping juice like a mango. Do it with it cause I say so. I done told her I'm a motor photo on the bed, layer like Play-Doh. We can kick it like Jago. Just do what I say so. If they hate, they better lay low. Nature boy, don't play though. I do this shit with an urgency. Being nice, such a courtesy. I done told them I'ma burn them to the third degree. They ever think of murdering me?
To which I will go depend entirely on your will to resist.
I'm ready to go to the top. I've been at the bottom.
Let's see if we got the facts straight.
Let's get it, Cuddy.
Let me holler.
Very unfair
Hit Nate on
question.
Facebook.
What up?
Told him drop that dime. Cuddy threw a track in my email. Didn't waste no time. I put it on the flow like Ezel. When I wrote those rhymes, came from the bottom like Fidel. Now they quote my lines. Get love from the female, cause I'm on my grind. Boy, you tryna put it on her sweet tail. I put it on her mind. You all on her V-mail. She exposed those lies. Cuddy, you ain't sold no pies. You ain't mafioso tied. Body dough gon' rise. Mommy no bro live. Thotties on my lines. Roberto Cavalli on my eyes. Looking fly in these space boots. Snap back, cock ace deuce. El Lele, you know, Jesus. This drip Sacramento grape juice. Break bread with the gang food. Got skills, no trade school. Got hits, no Babe Ruth. They know what my name do. Born hustling. Run it up like Warren Buffett. Ballin' on these corn muffins. Giving these suckers more buckets. Catch me.
The lengths to which I will go depend entirely on your will to resist.
See, man, we living by the law of polarity. No
Let's
matter
see
if
if we
we
got
up,
the facts straight.
no matter if we down, we
What's
good.
gonna happen to me? What should happen to you? That's
Catch
a very
me,
unfair
Cuddy.
question.